Today we will study about the administrative unit of Jharkhand. After complete the administrative unit of Jharkhand, we have to complete which are left in early classes Jharkhand polity. Okay, ready? So administrative unit. What do you mean by administrative unit? That means a unit where the executive body govern the पार्ट ऑफ द स्टेट. दैट मीन्स एक ऐसा व्यवस्था, एक ऐसा एरिया जहां पर जितने भी पॉलिसियां होती है गवर्नमेंट के, वो पॉलिसियां उन ऑफिसर्स के द्वारा इंप्लीमेंट की जाती है. विलेज में, छोटे छोटे कस्बों में वो जो पॉलिसी होती है उसको क्या किया जाता है, इंप्लीमेंट किया जाता है. आइए हम जानते हैं कि इसका यूनिट कैसे कैसे क्लासिफाई किया. ओके, सो रेडी. नाउ यू नो वेरी वेल द कैपिटल ऑफ झारखंड इज Ranchi, and we have to know sub capital also. Sub capital Dumka, and by the government of Hemant Soren, who announced more sub capital in Jharkhand, in Chotanagpur, Giridih. Which Chotanagpur? No, Chotanagpur. And Chaibasa. In which commissionary? Chaibasa? Kolhan. Medni Nagar. In which commissionary? Palamu. These are the sub capital also commitment or may be declared by our chief minister Hemant Soren. That means उन्होंने कहा है कि सब कैपिटल जो दुमका है उपराजधानी, उसके अलावा और उप राजधानियां बनाने की उन्होंने घोषणा कर रखी है. किसने? हेमंत सोरेन. सो वी हैव टू स्टडी अबाउट द एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव यूनिट. ओके, फर्स्ट वी हैव टू नो हाउ मेनी कमिश्नरी इन झारखंड स्टेट. Jharkhand state. So there are five commissionary. That means division. It is a greater or big administrative unit in any state. You can say division or commissionary. And who is the officer in charge in commissionary? Commissioner. Every commissionary have a commissioner who are a IAS officer. Senior IAS. Okay, senior most IAS officer. First, North Chota Nagpur. Second, South Chota Nagpur. Third, Kolhan. Fourth, Palamu. Fifth, Santhal Pargana. It is not Superintendent of Police. It is Santhal Pargana. Okay. ST means Santhal Pargana. In law and order, the officer in charge in this. Yes. So it is Santhal Pargana. Okay. Which are the districts under the commissary of North Chotanagpur? These are, in every commissary there are division of districts. That means all the districts in Jharkhand state. There are 24 districts, you know very well.
Yes, sir.
But when it was established Jharkhand state, there was only 18 districts. That means 6 districts was made after the establishment of Jharkhand state. Okay, which are made or from which districts, you know? These are Saraikela Kharsama from West Singhbhum. Latehar from Palamu. लातेहार फ्रॉम जामताड़ा, जामताड़ा, जामताड़ा फ्रॉम दुमका, फ्रॉम दुमका। एंड नेक्स्ट सिमडेगा, सिमडेगा फ्रॉम गुमला, फ्रॉम गुमला। नेक्स्ट खूंटी, खूंटी फ्रॉम रांची। नेक्स्ट रामगढ़ फ्रॉम हजारीबाग, फ्रॉम हजारीबाग। These districts are made after establishment of Jharkhand state in 15 November 2000. 15 November. So these districts are made after 2000. But when the state our exist, there are only 18 districts. जब हमारे राज्य बने तब कितने जिले थे? और अभी कितने हैं? 24। 18 और 6 24। ओके, नाउ we have to describe which districts are in which commissary, in which commissary. So ready? You want to write this information? Okay. Commissary means division. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So first North Chotanagpur, second South Chotanagpur, third, fourth, fifth. Okay. Headquarter of North Chotanagpur is Hazaribagh. Hazaribagh. Headquarter of South Chotanagpur is Ranchi. Headquarter of Kolhan is Chaibasa. Headquarter of Palamu Commissary is Medininagar. Medininagar. Headquarter of Santhal Pargana is Dumka. Now, which districts are come in which commissary? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So first, North Chotanagpur, Bokaro, गिरिडीह, चतरा, धनबाद, रामगढ़, हजारीबाग, कोडरमा। 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. There are 7 districts. There are
7 districts.
in North Chotanagpur commissary. In okay. Now South Chotanagpur, South Chotanagpur, South Chotanagpur, खूंटी, गुमला, रांची, सिमडेगा, लोहरदगा. These are the districts in South Chotanagpur commissary. खूंटी, गुमला, रांची, सिमडेगा and लोहरदगा. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next कोल्हान. Next कोल्हान. In कोल्हान, West Singhbhum, Saraikela Kharsawa and East Singhbhum. East Singhbhum. These are 3 districts in कोल्हान commissary. कोल्हान commissary. Now Palamu. In Palamu, Latehar and Garhwa. These 3 districts in Palamu commissary. Next, Santhal Pargana. Santhal Pargana. In Santhal Pargana, Devghar, Dumka, गोड्डा, साहिबगंज, जामताड़ा, पाकुड़. 1 2 3 4 5 6. These 6 districts are in Santhal Pargana commissary. So these are the districts in different commissionaries. So please note down. We study today administrative unit, and we have known there are 5 divisions in Jharkhand state. So first we will describe any one division. Suppose South North Chotanagpur, North Chotanagpur. Okay. So how many districts in North Chotanagpur division? 7. Which are
Bokaro,
Bokaro,
Girdi,
Dhanbad,
Girdi,
Giridih,
Chatra,
Chatra,
Ramgarh,
Ramgarh, Koderma. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and one left.
Hazaribagh,
Hazaribagh. Very good, brilliant. Now we have to explain the administration unit till village. Okay, the level of village. So Bokaro is a district, and the officer in charge in district is DC. DC is also a post in DM, and DM is a by virtue post. By virtue post. Deputy collector and district magistrate. These two posts of one person, it is known as by virtue. Okay. So in Bokaro, there are 2 subdivision. 2 subdivision. Chas and Bermo. Chas and Bermo. These are subdivision. Who is the officer in charge in subdivision? SDO. Also in a post known as SDM. SDM. So there are 2 subdivision. Now the lower level of administration unit, block. So in Chas, Chandan Kyari, Chas, Giridih, Kasmar, Chandrapura. In Bermo, Nawadi, Gomia, and what? Petawar.
Yes, sir.
Petawar. That means in Bokaro, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 blocks. 9 blocks. And the lower unit of block is Panchayat. Panchayat. So these are the administrative structure or unit of Jharkhand state. We have discussed about which part are left in polity of Jharkhand. So we discussed in earlier classes how many constituencies are reserved, prestige, STs, and which are for generals in parliamentary constituencies and in assembly constituencies. Today's class we have discussed about few more information about executive of Jharkhand. So first, everybody know about it. First governor, Prabhat Kumar. Prabhat Kumar was a senior IAS and oath taken by the Chief Justice of Jharkhand High Court, Vinod Chandra Gupta. was the first, was the Jharkhand High Court. Jharkhand High Court. Nurchandra Gupta. Now, few information. If anyone, first the information about the first election. First election after the Jharkhand stabilized. 15 November 2000, Jharkhand state stabilized, and the first election held in 2005. 2005. And the chief minister, first chief minister appointed by the governor was Sri Babulal Marandi. But everybody know about it. Who want to become chief minister or any member of executive, like any minister, and in 91st Constitutional Amendment of India, it is mentioned only 12 minister, including CM, can be happen in Jharkhand state. That means झारखंड राज्य में जो 91th अमेंडमेंट हुआ था संविधान में, उसमें लिखा गया था कि झारखंड राज्य में सीएम को लेकर केवल 12 ही मंत्री बन सकते हैं. कितने? 12. एक सीएम और बाकी के 11. ओके. सो फर्स्ट असेंबली इलेक्शन हेल्ड इन 2005 एंड द फर्स्ट चीफ मिनिस्टर Babulal Marandi. Okay. So when Babulal Marandi was taken the oath of CM, he was not a member of house, member of assembly's house. That means he was not a MLA, but it mentioned in constitution who want to become a member of executive, like any minister, including CM, he or she must be a member of house. Then from Ramgarh, by the by-election, through the by-election, he become a member of legislative assembly. That means वो हाउस के मेंबर बने, झारखंड विधानसभा के मेंबर बने. कौन? बाबूलाल मरांडी. किसके द्वारा? बाई-इलेक्शन. कहां से? रामगढ़ से. तो असल में इलेक्शन जनरली तो दो तरह के होते हैं. दैट मीन्स टू टाइप ऑफ इलेक्शन, डायरेक्ट एंड इनडायरेक्ट. इन इनडायरेक्ट, फर्स्ट जनरल इलेक्शन, सेकेंड मिड टर्म इलेक्शन, एंड थर्ड बाई इलेक्शन. You know what are the recent by-election in Jharkhand? The recent by-election in Jharkhand, yes. Suppose any member who dismissed from his office or who died in the office, then by-election are held in the constituency.
Yes, sir.
जैसे कि मधुपुर is a constituency, legislative constituency, assembly constituency of Jharkhand state. It is unreserved. So former MLA or minister Haji Hussain Ansari. After his death, a by-election are held in Madhupur, like Dumri. Who was the MLA from Dumri? Yes, Jagannath Mehta. And a by-election also held in Dumri.
Yes.
And in Bermo. So when the term are, that means when the tenure, the general election tenure or the whole by-election, the assembly election, first election or second election tenure not completed, and the member died or resigned from his office, then the election held in the constituency, it is known as by-election. मतलब जब कोई जनरल इलेक्शन हो जाता है 5 साल के लिए, उसके बाद बीच में अगर कोई मेंबर, चाहे वो पार्लियामेंट का मेंबर हो या फिर असेंबली का मेंबर हो, वो उनका देहांत हो जाता है या फिर वो रिजाइन कर जाते हैं या फिर वो किसी करप्शन में उनका सेंटेंस हो जाती है, पनिशमेंट हो जाती है, तो उनको सीट खाली करनी पड़ती है. और जब उस एक सीट में चुनाव होता है उसको क्या बोलते हैं? बाई इलेक्शन, यानी उपचुनाव. क्या बोलते हैं? तो बाबूलाल मरांडी जब सीएम बने तो वो एमएलए नहीं थे, मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट थे, मेंबर ऑफ तो रामगढ़ से उपचुनाव होके उन्होंने मेंबर ऑफ लेजिस्लेचर बने, वो एमएलए बने। कोई भी आदमी, कोई भी मेंबर बिफोर 6 मंथ के अंदर उनको हाउस का मेंबर बनना पड़ेगा, हाउस का मेंबर बनना पड़ेगा। दैट मीन्स इट इज वेरी एसेंशियल, इट इज कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल norms. So if anyone want to become a member of house, maybe in parliament, maybe in assembly, he must be member within 6 months. यानी 6 महीने के अंदर उनको हाउस का मेंबर बनना पड़ेगा। ओके, सो फर्स्ट assembly election held in Jharkhand in 2005, and the first chief minister Babulal Marandi, and the first speaker, you know speaker, the most important post in the assembly or in parliament, in Lok Sabha, speaker. So first speaker Inder Singh Namdhari. For general knowledge, who is the present speaker of Jharkhand Legislative Assembly? Who is the present speaker of Jharkhand Legislative Assembly? Is Rabindranath Mahto. And he is elected from which constituency? Nala in South Santhal Pargana, Jamtara district. So these are the basic information, and few more information I shall give you after written. Now the topic are beginning from yes, we discuss about it. When anybody want to become a member of legislative assembly, okay, he must be a member within 6 months. And Babulal Marandi also elected as a member from Ramgarh. And in 2005, the first election held in Jharkhand, and after election, Shibu Soren was the first chief minister after election. Shibu Soren. But 2nd March or May, I am very confusing the topic. So 2005 to 12, absolutely March, okay, 12 March 2005. That means very short period. That means only 10 days. It is a record in Indian history. Am I right? So because two major reason, while any person or any leader cannot be show his majority in the assembly, and he could not be a chief minister, or he can go to the position. But while he was not a member of assembly and he took through the by election and he cannot win the constituency, then he also drop out or also resign from his post. So you know Gopal Krishna Patar, he was a MLA from Tamar. He was the very important name because he was the person who defeat Sri Shibu Soren, who was a huge and prominent leader of Jharkhand state. You know Shibu Soren? But Gopal Krishna Patar defeat Shibu Soren in the by-election in Tamar. Okay, so next we will discuss about all the things. You know, Jharkhand state and Chhattisgarh state, very similar information about it. 1st November 2000 stabilized CG means Chhattisgarh. 9th November 2000 Uttarakhand, and 15th November 2000 Jharkhand. But in Chhattisgarh, while it was made only 4 chief minister since now. First अजीत योगी, सेकंड रमन सिंह, थर्ड भूपेश बघेल, फोर्थ फॉर प्रेजेंट इज विष्णु सोई, am I right? विष्णुदेव सोई, विष्णुदेव सोई, am I right? The present chief minister of Chhattisgarh, Vishnudev Soy. So these are 4 chief ministers in Chhattisgarh, but in Jharkhand since 2000, Babulal Marandi, Arjun Munda, Shibu Soren, Madhu कोड़ा, रघुवर दास, हेमंत सोरेन, चंपई सोरेन, बाबूलाल मरांडी 1 टाइम, अर्जुन मुंडा 3 टाइम, शिबू सोरेन 3 टाइम, मधु कोड़ा 1 टाइम, रघुदास 1 टाइम, हेमंत सोरेन 3 टाइम, चंपई सोरेन 1 टाइम. That means 3, 3, 3, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13th chief minister are changed since 2000 to 2024. But in Chhattisgarh, only 4. So how the development are shown in Jharkhand? So next we have to know about detail the list of governor in Jharkhand. Okay, ready? Who was the first governor of Jharkhand? Prabhat. Second, acting. Vinod Pandey, acting. Okay, acting means in charge. Okay. Third, M Rama Joyce. Okay, M Rama Joyce. Okay. Fourth, Ved Prakash Marwa. Fifth, सैयद सिद्दे रजी, सैयद सिब्ते रजी. सिक्स्थ, शंकर नारायण, के शंकर नारायण. 7, MOH फारूक, MOH फारूक. 7, 8, सैयद अहमद, सैयद अहमद. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Oh, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. No. Draupadi Murmu. 10, Ramesh Bais. 11, CP Radha Krishnan. And now in present, who is Santosh Gangwar. You know Santosh Gangwar belongs from which state? Very good. And Draupadi Murmu and Ramesh Bais, Chhattisgarh. Okay, write down. Conclude the topic. Last topic about speaker. Speaker is a very important post in Lok Sabha or any assembly of different state. So the context there, Jharkhand. and before the speaker, elected speaker, that means before the election of speaker, who take as a chairperson, as a chairman of the house in assembly, who is known as pro tem speaker. Pro tem speaker. Pro tem speaker. Pro tem speaker. The first pro tem speaker of Jharkhand is Biseshwar Khan. Biseshwar Khan. Okay. After taking the charge speaker, the post speaker, whatever speaker are abolished. Okay. So, and with speaker, one another person take charge as deputy speaker. Deputy speaker. So there is a question raised. Who is the first deputy speaker of Jharkhand? Bagun Sumray. Bagun Sumray was very simplicity as nature. Bagun Sumray belong from West Singhbhum. He was fourth time or fifth time as a member of parliament. Bagun Sumray was the first deputy speaker, and Biseshwar Khan was the first pro tem speaker of Jharkhand state, and the first speaker of Jharkhand was Namdhari Singh Dinkar. No, Inder Singh Namdhari. Sorry, Inder Singh Namdhari. Second, Mrigendra Pratap Singh. Third, Alamgir Alam. Fourth, CP Singh. Fifth, Sasank Shekhar Bhogta. Next, Dinesh Uram. And now at present, Rabindra Nath Mehto elected from which assembly constituency? Nala. Dinesh Uram elected from which assembly constituency? Gumla. Not Gumla, Sisai. That means it is in district Gumla. Not constituency, but district Gumla. Sasank Shekhar Bhogta elected from which assembly constituency? Don't know. Sasank Shekhar Bhogta, Sarat. Okay. Sarat. Alamgir Alam from Pakur. Okay. CP Singh from Ranchi. So these are the list of speaker of Jharkhand assembly, and first deputy speaker Bagun Sumray, and as a acting speaker Sabah Ahmad from Giridih. So these are the list of speaker: Inder Singh Namdhari, Mrigendra Pratap Singh, Alamgir Alam, CP Singh from Ranchi, and Sasank Shekhar Bhogta from Sarat, Dinesh Uram and Rabindranath Mehto at present from Nala. So these are the information of Jharkhand polity. Thank you very much.